Hi everyone, welcome to Illustrator tutorial. This video focuses on how to use the image trace tool to trace a logo or icon in our Illustrator. So what we need to do now is I find a Google icon so that I can trace it. I copy from web and I paste now. Okay, this one is too big, so I just resize it. Hold down your shift and go over the corner to make it smaller. And then move it to the middle. Okay. So you can see that this Google icon, there's a white background and then also the 1, 2, 3, 4 color in the Google icon. So what we need to do now is use the selection tool to select the image. Okay. And then we go to object. Then we find the image trace. Okay, and then we click on the mix first. Okay, so when you click on the mix, it will pop up something like this. So the top bar here will change to the image trace option for you to edit. So under the view here, we can use the tracking result or tracking result with outlines or source image. So which means this will be what you want for your tracking. So if you want the outline, you just click on the outline or outline with source image. So you will see this will be your tracking result here. You can just over the view here to change it. So I just change to outlines with source image. Okay, and then under the preset here, there is a many options for you. For example, the high fidelity, low fidelity, 3 color, 6 color, 16 color, shade of gray, black and white, sketch, line art, technical drawing, and so on. So for this one, we have 4 color here. So we just pick on the 6 color to trace the image. So if you are tracing the image that has 16 color or more, you can either choose the high fidelity or the 16 color, or you can just make it to black and white so that you can apply the color later on. It's up to you. Okay, so I just change to 6 color, and then my view will be outlined with source image, and then I'm satisfied with this, so I just click on expand. So if you didn't click on expand, the Illustrator will not help you to trace the image. So click on expand. Okay, you can see that there is a dotted line around the white background and then around the Google icon. So what we need to do now is right click on our icon and then we click on ungroup. Okay, so once it's ungrouped here, click on the worksheet one time. Okay, then we click on the white background again. Then this time we can try to. Okay, so if you can't ungroup, just use command or control shift G to ungroup. Okay, then you try to put it out. Okay, so this white background, I put it out here. So when I put it to the gray color area here, you can see the white background is already put out. Okay, so if you don't want, just hit on the delete key to delete it. So this one will be all the shape that Illustrator help you to trace. So you can change the color by use selection tool to select the area, and then you can also change the color or modify something in the Illustrator. Okay, so this is one of the shortcut way for you to trace an image, but this only applicable to those like quite simple image, a very clear cut here instead of the picture that you took. So this is the reminder. Thank you for watching.